In the conditions given, let's call the 2 days as A and B because we don't know the order, day 1 and day 2. So we're calling them A and B. One day they have to be majority of students as minors. So minority students, more than 2 minority students to form a majority in a group of 5. The other day there have to be more than 3 students, or let's say greater than or equal to 4 students who are preparing for the Youth Olympics. Neither day should have 3 students in the same sport. 2 is okay. And then the good news is that 8 of the students have been finalized, making the job a lot easier for us. Here we have 4 people involved in Youth Olympics. Sorry, only 3 of these are involved in Youth Olympics. So 3 are for Youth Olympics. Here we have 2 for Youth Olympics. So even if the 5th person happens to be training for Youth Olympics, there'll be only 3. Day B has to have 4 or more. So definitely this is not day B. This is day A and this is day B. So that is some progress. Now the pointers are that day A must have 3 or more minority students. So African American qualifies as minority as per the data here. First generation Americans, Native Americans, African Americans, Hispanics. This also qualifies as a minority student. So the third person must definitely be a minority student. So we definitely need a minority student here. And then on day B, whoever comes has to be training for Youth Olympics because we have only 3 students here. We need 4 or more. The 4th person must be training for Youth Olympics. And remember, the person who comes here cannot be playing tennis because we have had 2 students who play tennis, and the person who comes here cannot be playing hockey because we have had 2 students, cannot be playing badminton because we have these 2 students playing badminton. And now let's go by elimination. You have a tennis here, so this cannot come in group B. It's European American, so it's not a minority student, so this cannot come in group A also. So therefore this is a good choice for neither day. We now need an answer choice for either day. A person who comes on either day has to be a minority student. So all the options which say European American can be eliminated. These 2 can be eliminated. Now it's between C and E. Remember, the person has to be training for Youth Olympics. Therefore any option that suggests not training for Youth Olympics can also be eliminated. Therefore this must be the right choice. Let's verify. Training for Youth Olympics, right? So this criteria is qualified. First generation American, so yes. Minority student, this criteria is qualified. Soccer, so it's neither badminton nor tennis. This criteria is also verified. So yes, this person can play on either day. So the right combination of answers is E and A.